Hi friends, welcome to my channel Life's Library. Have you ever wondered why the rich seem to get richer even when they are not working harder? What if I told you there's one simple rule they follow quietly that does the heavy lifting for them? Let's talk about something insanely powerful, something Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world compound interest. But before you scroll away, let me ask you a serious question. If your money isn't growing while you sleep, then when exactly do you expect it to grow? Compound interest is basically your money makes money and then that money makes more money. It's the closest thing to magic, but it's 100% math. Think of planting a tiny seed. At first, nothing seems to be happening. But with time, that seed becomes a tree that produces fruits every single season. Here's the secret wealthy people know: they don't rely on effort, they rely on systems. They let compound interest do the heavy lifting through index funds, real estate, retirement accounts, businesses that generate cash flow, all compounding in the background year after year. They know something most people ignore. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how early you start. A 20-year-old investing $200 per month will beat a 30-year-old investing $500 per month every single time because time is a multiplier. Be honest with yourself. Is your money working as hard as you do? Or does it sit in a savings account earning crumbs? Are you building wealth or just watching inflation eat your paycheck? If you keep doing what you are doing right now, where will your finances be in 10 years? Growing or just surviving? If you invest just $5 a day, the price of a coffee at 10% return, that's 9,000 in 1 year, 59,000 in 5 years, and over 300,000 in 20 years. $5 a day. That's what compounding does. Small actions, massive results. So ask yourself, do you want your money to work for you or against you? Because compound interest will work either way. Start now, start small. The wealthy did, and that's exactly why they are wealthy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.